Glenn, please continue.
Oh, France, my Paris years. Everywhere I went, I could get incredible cheese. There were the fondue restaurants, the cheese carts, the cheese shops. Oh, the fondue. Doctor, it was the belle époque. It was a cheese heaven.
And?
When I returned back home, I tried everything. I tried making cheese, but it was complicated and such a mess. I tried to buy it, but it was such poor quality or so damn expensive. It was hopeless. I couldn't get the good stuff. I ended up becoming...
Glenn, it's okay, please continue.
I ended up becoming a cheese junkie. Processed, tasteless, full of additives, cheddar, feta, mozzarella. It didn't matter. I did anything I could to get my cheese fix.
Oh, hey, Glenn.
Hey, man.
What'll it be? Can I interest you in some classic American kind?
Yeah, let's try it. Oh, fine. That's when I hit rock bottom, Doctor.
I've heard enough. You're suffering from a classic case of GCDS, good cheese depletion syndrome, a condition prevalent amongst expats from parts of Europe and increasingly just about anyone who appreciates really good cheese.
GCDS?
Yes, you really need good cheese. Fresh or aged, it doesn't matter. As long as it's delicious, affordable, and healthy. There's really only one cure, Glenn. It's the FROMAGGIO.
Hi, I'm Glenn, the founder of FROMAGGIO. You are looking at a prototype of the world's first smart automated cheesemaker for home use. For over 2 years, my team and I have been working tirelessly with top electrical and mechanical engineers to create FROMAGGIO. FROMAGGIO takes a factory full of machines or a cabinet full of messy home cheesemaking equipment and turns it into a simple, easy to clean appliance that fits on your kitchen countertop. Our goal here at FROMAGGIO is to bring the finest artisanal quality natural cheese into your home. After living in France for many years, I returned to the United States and asked myself, why don't we have easy to access, delicious, affordable, healthy cheese? With FROMAGGIO, now everyone will. When you first try FROMAGGIO's homemade cheese, you might be actually eating real cheese for the first time. You will never want to go back to the store-bought processed cheese or overpriced imported cheese. Most of the healthy cultures in store-bought cheese are gone by the time you consume it. With FROMAGGIO, you can make an incredible variety of cheese, from probiotic to any type of vegan cheese, fresh yogurt, kefir, tofu, and more. After, you can even use the whey, a protein-rich byproduct of cheese, for anything from a healthy shake to a fertilizer for your garden. It's time for you to take control of your own ingredients. Whether you are looking for a natural way to make vegan or kosher cheese, feed the kids, or just impress your dinner guests, FROMAGGIO can make cheese just the way you want it. FROMAGGIO also has a mobile app that is going to create the first truly connected community of cheese lovers. In the app, users can choose from a number of default classic cheeses, such as mozzarella or feta, which they can then send to their FROMAGGIO with one click. You can also choose an original cheese created by other users worldwide, or create your own. For example, I love the taste of camembert, but I also like the taste and consistency of chèvre. By adding a little black pepper, I've now created a black pepper camembert cheese. From the app, you can also control the machine, track the cheesemaking process, order ingredients, and more. The app and touchscreen LCD make it simple by telling you when to pour in the milk, add ingredients such as cheese cultures or rennet, and best of all, when your cheese is ready. We are now ready to start manufacturing. We just need your help. So to all the cheese lovers out there, who's ready to go all the way?